Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine. As you know that this is your class 5th NCERT EVS book and we are reading the chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. This is the fourth part of the chapter. Are you watching? This is the picture of Earth. This is the picture of Earth. So let's start reading. Look at the photograph of the Earth. This is a photograph of the Earth taken from the spaceship. From such photograph, today we know what the Earth looked like. But thousands of years ago, people could only imagine what the Earth looked like. Scientists tried hard to find out how big is the Earth, how does it go around. So there are some questions. Some questions are here. Question number 1 is you are to look at this photograph and answer. Can you see India? So you can see yes, I can see India is here, but that is not so clearly. Question number 2, can you recognize any other place? So you can answer no, it is very difficult to recognize any other place exactly. Number 3, where is the sea? So you can answer the blue part of the picture is sea. Do you find anything similar between the globe and the picture of the earth? In what ways are they different? So you can answer the similarity in both the cases is land and the sea area can be distinguished. Means you can see the blue area is the part of the sea and the other is the land. But however, the entire land and area is divided into various countries on the globe, which is not so in case of the picture of Earth. In the globe, you can divided the entire land area into various countries. So, some other questions too. Can you find India? Now you are to see the globe. Look at a globe in your school and tell. Now you are to see the globe and then you are to answer, can you find India? Yes, of course, you can answer, I find India. Question number 2, where all do you find the sea? So again, the answer is the blue part of the globe area is sea. Question number 3, which countries can you see? So you many countries, or you can say all the countries we can see on the globe. Question number 4, can you see some of the countries with which India plays cricket matches, for example England, Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh and South Africa? So you can answer yes, I can see all the countries. The last question, what else can you see on the globe? So you can answer yes, I can see many other states also on the globe. Let's start the chapter. Uzaira and Shamir are looking at different countries on the globe. Uzaira is telling, see, there are lines between the different countries on this globe. Are such lines also there on the earth? Shamir, there must be. They are there on the map of India in this book. See, there are lines between the different states too. What do you think, dear students? Is there lines between the states too on the land or on the earth? So you can say that there is no line on the earth. This is on the globe. That is why we can recognize the states or the countries on the globe. That is why the lines are divided, that the lines are drawn, so that we can recognize the states and countries and the sea. Would we find such lines made on the ground? So you can answer no, we do not find the line on the ground because there is no line on the ground. This is made on the globe so that we can recognize the states and countries and seas and oceans on the globe. That is why the lines are drawn on the globe. Now, the next, look at the map of your country and tell. Can you find the state in which you live? Write its name on the map. So you write the name. If you are living in Gujarat, then you write the name of your state. Which are the states next to the states you live in? So you can answer Rajasthan is there. Have you been to any other state? So you can answer yes, I have been to UP or Maharashtra, any other state where you have been, you can write. Number 4, Shamir thinks that there are lines drawn on the ground between the states. What do you think? So there is an answer written here. No, the lines are on the map only. Here I am going to read here. When Sunita saw the earth from space, she found the earth very beautiful. Many thoughts came to her mind as she described it. From so far away, one can only make out the land and the sea. One cannot see the different countries. Division into countries has been done by us. All the lines on the maps are made by us. They are in our mind. I wish we all think about sky. Shahmir. He closes one eye and moves the coin back and forth while looking at the moon. Look, I can hide the moon behind this coin. Uzera. Wow, imagine hiding such a big moon behind such a small coin. Why don't you try to do the same with a coin? How many centimeters away from the eye did you keep the coin to hide the moon? So you can answer to hide the moon completely. The coin has to kept at 25 centimeters away from the eye. So this was the complete explanation of the chapter. I hope you understand. Listen carefully. Good day.